Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your you and yours reading now. Aries, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time and how we can navigate that energy. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aries, let's start as usual. Angel blessing card to bless the reading, top the reading, send you a message, a blessing or an advice card, and then we'll move from there, okay? So my angels, what do you have for my Aries gang now? Oh, that was all right. We'll take this one. Let's keep the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Aries, is child. So Aries, this could literally mean that you're dealing with a child, okay? So maybe there's a child around you that's affecting your energy, or this could be seeing things from a childlike perspective and seeing things with new eyes. So let's keep this card here, Aries, and let's begin your reading. So as I was saying, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most. Now this could be anyone, Aries. This could be your child, this could be your mother-in-law, could be your neighbor, boss, ex-husband or ex-lover, a secret crush, anyone. You would know once I read your cards. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your beautiful comments, your appreciation, your likes and your generous donations to this channel. I'm very obliged and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I've set down now two sets of cards. One, this is side A, this is side B for me. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. You decide which side you resonate best with. Okay. Now about bottom of my deck, again, I have the Six of Cups, which again is like children, right? So literally you could be dealing with some children around you, your own or somebody else's, or this could be somebody from your past who you've had childlike moments with. This could be somebody you've known for a long time, maybe an ex-lover. Don't kill me, Aries. Yeah, but this is somebody that you have sweet memories with, not bad memories, okay? So this could literally be a child or a childhood friend or somebody who you like, who could be reappearing in your life here. So let's start with the energies of person A. And Aries, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the About section and description box below. So for side A, the cards I've picked out till now have been the Ace of Swords, 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, the Devil, the Six of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay. Person B has the Knight of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Justice, Eight of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. All right, so Aries, somebody on, let's start with the energies of person A, right? So person A has suddenly had this newfound clarity in their life, right? They are now crystal clear about everything that's happened, why things kind of ended maybe between the two of you in the past, or maybe there was some betrayal that was done, even though you guys could have been very happy with the 10 of Cups energy. This is like wish fulfillment, we're happy together. Some toxic behavior happened, I think, Aries, in the past, and maybe this was the toxic behavior was somebody's pride and ego. Right? They wanted to win at all costs and, be seen as the person or something like that. And eventually what happened is that they are now feeling a little abandoned and left out in the cold. Maybe because of something person B did. So I don't know who this is. Let's see. Spirit, what's this Ace of Swords for person A? What's this? What's this Ace of Swords for person A, Spirit? Wow. Yes, somebody played a very nasty game here, Aries. I know what most of you, my old subscribers, are thinking. Yes, we all know who this could be, right? And as much as we're trying to get to you and yours, I think somebody else is showing up here. But yes, somebody is very, very clear about why this ending has taken place, okay? Because of somebody's self sabotage. Maybe they kind of played some kind of a weird game here. They wanted to win at all costs. It was my way or the highway. Maybe feeling very chuffed that they could kind of move things the way they wanted. I say sit, then you sit. If I say stand, then you say stand. They wanted to have that kind of a realization, and because of all that, things are totally ended. It's not 10 swords here, Aries, these are 20 swords, right? So this is like time and time again, this, I think, chapter has gone on with this particular person from your past, and yes, it's kind of led to major betrayal. This is not minor, and somebody has got complete awareness about the self-sabotaging behavior of theirs. Now, even though there was the Ten of Cups. So what's this Ten of Cups, Spirit? What's this Ten of Cups? Somebody cheated here, somebody lied, somebody cheated, they had a good thing going here. Maybe this was an ex-husband, this could be a family member, maybe there was happiness at one point, and now somebody knows that, oh my God, what did I do? I self-sabotaged everything, and I am the one who kind of did the cheating, the lying of hurting myself as well. It's not that I hurt my partner here, but I hurt myself as well. This is something which I don't think I can ever recover from now, because yes, this was really toxic, and somebody killed this, literally. I mean, look at the beautiful family here. There's a husband, wife, 2 little children, secure home. So this was either a family, Aries, or this had the potential, or it felt like home, right? This is like I love being at home kind of a card, and they had this and they kind of snuck away from it. And why? Because of their very bad toxic behavior. So what's this Devil card, Spirit? What's this Devil card? What's this Devil card, Spirit? What happened here? They wanted to slow things down. Maybe it was time to make some kind of a decision here, Aries, and they didn't want to make a decision, or they wanted to keep somebody hanging. So I think they just didn't want to make a decision here, so they ended this relationship. They thought that they were, I think, kingpin here. They felt that it's me, everybody else is lower than me, and whenever I want, I will decide what has to be done, and they refuse to make any kind of a decision, and because of that was the toxicity. So one more card, Spirit, for the Devil card. And that's what ended the relationship here. Yes, this entire chapter came to an end because of that. Now this person, the same person, whoever this is, Aries, for you, this could be your child, right? I'm not saying nothing, so don't send me messages about anybody else. So this could be anyone, could be a friend, could be a partner, could be anyone. Now they want to have victory again with the person B. They are wanting to bring in an apology, okay? But I think their pride and ego is coming in the way. So 6 of Wands, Spirit. They are very clear about what they want, though. They're very clear, but the clarity is there now. See, Ace of Swords and the Ace of Swords. The clarity has come to them that I have messed up big time. Okay, in bold letters, underlined. So I am clear about what has happened, and I am an idiot. I was too rash in the situation. I should have taken my time. I fought with my person B here. So the clarity is there, and the need for apology is there as well. But there is a 5 of Pentacles here. So either they are feeling left out in the cold right now, or afraid right now, even though they are clear. They so want to now, kind of say sorry, or say, hey, let's leave all these troubled times behind. I want to do the right thing here now. I want to bring justice back to this relationship. Let's, move to a calmer place in our lives together. You are my star. You are my wish. You are the one that I should have chosen all along. Right? So, why is the Five of Pentacles here then, Spirit? The Five of Pentacles is here because they know person B is big time holding back from them, and they are feeling abandoned now. Person A is feeling abandoned now because they know that after whatever this horrid thing that was done, their partner is no longer giving to the connection and has become a bit reserved now. Okay, I'm not just going to give you my attention and love. You have to work towards it, and yes, they know they have to work towards it now. They really know they have to, and they probably are on their way. That's what I feel, especially with this energy here, Aries, wanting to come in swift and fast, wanting to work on things, not wanting to waste any more time, and wanting to bring justice into this equation once again. Because now they are totally clear about who and what they want and what has really happened. They are wanting now to be victorious once again, and they are wanting to bring healing back to the situation. Now, I'm not sure person B is that ready though. From the cards I took a glance on, because according to person B, this chapter is already like, things have really stagnated here. So, they are looking for new love here, yes. Person B is now headed out to a new journey, a new life for themselves. They are maybe talking to other people here, new suitors, Knight of Cups are like romantic offers, new people coming towards them. They are kind of here saying, hey, I'm like a newborn child now, and I'm ready for my new journey, and I'm going to take my baby steps now towards new love here. So I think person B is, I think you, Aries, who's now you are here looking for a new lover maybe in your life, or new love, or trying to make a choice between new prospects that are coming your way. And yes, I do see a lot of people competing for your attention here. There are lots of competition for person B here, so much so that I think person B is taking it a bit slow here right now. Yes, the light flickered as well. Yes, you're taking it a bit slow because you're trying to make a wise decision here. You don't, out of all these people who are competing for person B's attention, you are going to pick and choose now. Now you have the ball in your court, but you do really want to make the wise decision this time, which is just and which is right for you. Okay? You don't want to return back to a place which is going to end up in conflict again. So let's see. What was I looking for? Yes, Five of Wands, Spirit. What's this Five of Wands for person B? You are not really sure right now, Aries. I think you're keeping a lot of things inside you. You're not... even though I see a lot of people coming towards you, you're still being very quiet. You're really overwhelmed actually with all this attention, I think, which may be coming your way, because you're a bit scared that you don't get into this kind of a zone again, where somebody can come back to you and maybe be a player or have selfish tendencies. So you are here with your sword up saying, come right or don't come at all. I mean, that's the vibe you're giving to everybody around you, not just this person. So Justice card, Spirit. Justice. Yes, here I see you taking a little bit of time out. I see you taking a little bit of time out here, Aries. You're a little stressed and worried, but you are taking time out. You don't want to jump into anything which is going to be less than a King of Pentacles. You want somebody to be proper, who is well settled, who can take care of themselves, if not you. because from what I see, person B can totally look after themselves here. Single, abundant, beautiful, and having everything that they need for themselves. But you do need a partner who can match you. You don't want another selfish person in your life. So the thought of choosing wrong gives you a little bit of stress here. So you stay awake thinking of each and every offer. Is this person going to be good for me? No, I think let me wait a little bit. Maybe let me check up on this person. Like you're discussing with your friends and family. Who do you think? I don't want to make a mistake again. But you're not in any rush now. You are choosing between selfish individuals to finding the right partner for yourself, the spouse, the person who's going to go the long haul. So 8 of Cups, Spirit, 8 of Cups. Eight of Cups. Yes, see, here you are going back and forth in your mind. I don't want to return back to anything where there is no love. I think the only thing my Aries is looking for now is genuine connections and genuine love. You want to start this brand new chapter like a baby with love. You need nothing else from anyone except purity of the heart, I think now. And yes, I do see you taking your time, going back and forth. I'm not going to return back to anything which is not going to be love. I'd rather not have passion in my life at all, right? I'd rather be just single and happy and concentrate on my pentacles and be abundant by myself. So let's see. Ace of Wands, Spirit, for my Aries. Ace of Wands for my Aries. Yes, you don't want to have any more regrets in your life. You've been there, done that. And I'd rather be without passion for the rest of my life, but I'm not going to make another mistake where I get into a third party situation, or where, people are selfish around me or who'll abandon me in the middle of nowhere. So you are quite content from what I feel, being in your Nine of Pentacles energy. So, Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, for person B. Oh, wow. Aries, my God, I'm so happy for you. So, once you've made up your mind, Aries, that you are not giving to anybody who is not good for you, and the minute you are in this kind of a zone, okay, self-love, you've decided to bring that cup of love to yourself. You are looking gorgeous. You have all the stability, everything with you. Guess what happens? The minute you start winning here, just see what else you're winning. A perfect partner with balance and victory. So that's definitely coming towards you. I don't know whether this is the same person, Aries, because sometimes this card can mean somebody returning from your past, but let's check it out. And yes, I have the Page of Cups once again, which means somebody coming with an apology to you. So I know you guys are sick of this dynamic here, but if the cards come out, I'm going to share. You don't like it, switch it off. But every time the storyline may be the same, but you are inching towards perfecting this chapter of your life, right? So from what I'm feeling here, Aries, even if this person comes back with an apology or something, what the message that I'm getting here is take your time. Take your time. Don't allow somebody to rush in who you was maybe selfish in the past. Till such time somebody can prove to you with actions, with time, that they can go the long haul. They can prove to be as the person that you want them to be. There is absolutely no harm in keeping yourself single and abundant and concentrating on yourself, because the minute you balance yourself out between the masculine and feminine within yourself is the time when you will have victory to finally get the perfect match. Okay, so yes, I have known many Aries. In fact, I've known one Aries where not one but 3 exes are back, and they all regret, and they all kind of giving offers to say, hey, you come back to me, and Aries is like going, like, where were you people when, when I left? There was so much ego, pride, not good enough, da, da, da. And now suddenly when you see me in this kind of a scenario, if I was so bad, why did you let me go? That's the main question Aries is asking nowadays. Why do you want me back? When I was there, why was I not respected? Why, Aries? It was because you never, I think, really realized your own value. You were so keen on giving, on proving to others that you were good, that they maybe took you for granted. It's only when your energy left, they start to feel that void. Okay, so this time around, I think what Spirit is trying to tell you, keep yourself with or without a partner in this vibration, because that's going to first balance you out and then bring in your perfect partner. Till now, I just see this person wishing and hoping and giving you an apology, which is all right. It's good to forgive and forget, but I don't see person B accepting it yet. Stay in this energy, person B, whoever you are, Aries or your cross watcher. Stay in this energy for a while and just concentrate on yourself till somebody can actually show you, not just say it. Let's see. Hanged Man in reverse, 8 of Swords, and the Sun card. See? So what's this Hanged Man, Spirit, in reverse? Hanged Man in reverse. What's this Hangman in reverse, Spirit? Somebody is very, very attached to you, person B. Somebody is very attached to you. I see one person who just can't get over person B, and I do have a Queen of Wands, which could be you, Aries, but you are not giving right now. You are still angry, you are still upset, but both are wanting now to move forward, but I think you're both on different planes. One person wants to return back, the other person is saying, hey, I'm going on my own journey. So that's why both of you, I think, are still in your head a little bit. There's still a little bit of inner conflict. It's not that you're discussing things with each other. This is separately both stressed out about. 8 of Swords, Spirit? Why is this 8 of Swords here? Somebody is really, really, really stressed out, Aries. Somebody here, maybe it could be both of you, still kind of going back and forth in your mind, remembering the awful fight maybe that happened between the two of you, realizing that a beautiful opportunity is now a missed opportunity, and both starting anew. Okay, but I really still till now haven't seen both of you moving ahead together. Person A wants to apologize and move with person B. Person B has totally given up and saying, hey, I'm upset, I'm angry, and I'd rather be abundant and happy on my own than accept any selfish person in my life. But then we have the Sun card. Why is the Sun card here, Spirit? Why is the Sun card here? Why is the Sun card here? Oh God, Aries, somebody sees, person A sees person B as their ultimate happiness, okay? But they are also seeing somebody holding strong here, not giving in. So there is a lot of heartbreak here, Aries, at least for person A, because somebody is choosing to walk away. I think finally, person A was always after their own happiness, and they've self-sabotaged this relationship, right? I think finally I have person B here finally realizing their worth and sitting in their own wish fulfillment here. To say, hey, listen, I have been heartbroken. I'm now going to do what makes me happy. And yes, there is heartbreak, and I have somebody walking away once again. Even though there is a potential for happiness here, Aries, but I don't think this person is ready yet. They're still wanting to win over person B. The choice is not yours, person A, to make right now. Person B has found their self-worth, and it has to be an equal decision or none at all. So that's all I have for you, Aries. I don't know what else to say here. All right, so I'll see you on Friday then for your love bite, love and light. Take care. Namaste.